Let's talk about the 5 main reasons why aspiring coaches get stuck. First, number 1, you don't know who you want to coach. So the people that I've known that thought they wanted to become a coach, they often come out of the gate with an idea, well, I'll just coach anybody who needs help in the area that I focus on. So if it's nutrition, if it's personal development, they're open to everybody. And the challenge with that is that if you don't know who you want to help, it's going to be harder to find them and connect with them on a marketing level, on a messaging level, to address the specific problems that they need help with. So that's the first thing. If you don't know who you want to coach, then basically you're trying to coach the world, and that's too big of a problem to solve. Number 2, you don't know exactly which problems you want to solve for these people. Let's take the example of somebody who is perhaps in the area of hypnotherapy or in the area, of just general life coaching. You would work on any and all problems. And so the problem with that becomes that you talk to people about what you do, you're going to say, well, I help people with problems. And they'll say, well, which problems? And you could say, just about any problem. And they're like, really? So the thing is that when we're talking about marketing and messaging and getting through to people, you want to address their specific problems. You want to speak to their problems in their language. So in order to figure that out, you need to talk to a lot of people about what their problems are so that you can sort out the ones you want to focus on. Number 3, you don't know how to make money from coaching. All aspiring coaches, and I've been there myself, we are not necessarily born business people. We're not necessarily born salespeople. So we're staring down this chasm of how do we make the jump from doing this for free to making money, to actually making a living, because assuming that most aspiring coaches want to do it full time, like I do. So that's the thing, you've got to get up to speed on the business side, the marketing side, the sales side, and practice those things in addition to practicing your coaching in order to deal with that. Number 4, you don't know where to find the people to coach. Well, as I said in an earlier bullet, if you don't know who you want to coach, they're everywhere. You're not connecting with them on their level, then it looks like a sea of people that you cannot connect with, and you don't know how to connect with them. It feels like you can't find them. So that will keep you stuck. And finally, number 5, you're not coaching right now. A lot of the times when we're trying to get up that learning curve, we're not actually doing the thing that we love to do. We're not actually contributing. And that will keep us stuck too, because we're not actually practicing our craft. We're not getting a feel for why we want to do it in the first place. And so you're faced with, again, too big of a vague problem to deal with. So those are the 5 reasons you might be stuck as an aspiring coach. And check out the next video where I talk about how to get unstuck. See you next time.